This is Michael.
And Stefan from Sniping Rhino Range.
Last year, we started building wooden raised beds, and we decided that we really liked them.
So recently, Mom bought a metal raised bed for a reasonable price, and we're gonna go set it up and see if we like it. But first, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming Homesteading videos.
That being said, let's build a raised bed. So this is a package for the metal raised bed that Mom bought, and I'm going to cut it up to see what we're working with. So that's what we have to work with. I'm going to have my good colleague Stefan join in because he has to do this too. So it looks like we got 4 pieces of tin, some corner things, and a whole bunch of screws. So we're gonna try and throw that together and make a metal raised box.
You want to put those there?
Oh, we have to put it so they can see it.
What side is the inside?
I would guess the curvy side's the outside.
Both sides are curvy. Get me one of those brackets.
I think those act as
Do those go inside or outside? No, all the other ones, those two are outside.
I didn't know which side mattered. Do you want to flip those two or flip them?
So, we were looking at the instructions, and we figured out that we did these two sides upside down, so we're going to have to take those out and redo it, because apparently it matters which side the hole is on. So the rain kicked up pretty hard, but we got it done. It's a little bit smaller than our normal raised beds, but it was easy to assemble. Probably would be easier for people who actually knew what they were doing, and hopefully it works well. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.
If you did, hit the like button and leave a comment.
Also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming Homestead-related videos.
This is Michael
And Stefan from Sniping.